7 deities.
Big Bird, what are you doing here?
Well, I hope you have any idea.
Shut up!
Oh!
As I was saying, where did you come from?
I'm here so I could get flowers for Mr. Hooper.
I'm just here to do my 7 deities workout.
Sorry, Big Bird, but Mr. Hooper's dead.
Wait, then I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Sorry, Big Bird, but Mr. Hooper can't come back because he's dead.
Wait, if he's dead, that means you must have killed him! I'm so mad at you! I'm gonna kick this door several times until you fall! Fall, Asura! I am Big Bird! Ah! Feel my wrath!
That's all, folks.